Out on the South Fork, throwing a DT6 Rogers Custom Baits Edition. Levels at 2.1 foot. A little sketchy up here today. There's a rock-proof boat out here though. I seen their trailer at the launch. This noise is fucking terrible from this reel today. Suck at fishing. First unit of the day. Shoot. On the old Rogers Smalley jig. Get him at Jake's Bait and Tackle. I just got a little chunk on there. My old lady's gonna be pissed. I'm using her pole. So yeah, like 2 or 3 weeks ago, I looked at the weather. We've been in a serious drought. I seen they were calling for rain for like a week or 2 straight. So I went ahead and called off today. It's Monday. And it was a good move because the river level is right where I like it. Great prediction. I mean, I care about work, but you know what work doesn't care about? It's your happiness. Sheesh. Big one. Oh shit. Really big one. Really big one. Oh my God. Woo! Oh, look at this toad. Probably 3-pounder. Just smoked it on the 1.0. He smoked it though. Wasn't recording. Bro's under the boat. He choked it. Well, well, well.